I would really like to go over this great thing that's happening right now, which is that my scooter tire is finally being fixed. Check it out, folks. Oh yeah.
The only problem is it's costing $50 an hour.
That's like the best price. So
you won't pay me anything for an hour.
I had a problem with the valve stem apparently, and all the air would leak out of it. So what I did was I went on old Amazon.com and I got 2 inner tubes for $12. They came to my house the next day, and now I'm gonna jam it inside that tire over there, thus fixing it.
There's a tube in here. Seriously?
So now you know why I'm
cut
psyched about that. There's my failing fix-a-flat. Do you think it was failing?
Completely failed.
No, but what I mean is...
Why didn't it work?
No, what I mean is, did the product not work? Like, it's not really supposed to just remain liquid, right?
And there is a tube in there.
Oh.
See it?
No, I don't.
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Huh. So the thing is what if I just had faulty fix-a-flat?
Pretty much.
But on the bright side, even if for no other reason, these tubes will add a little sideways valve stem to it so that I can pump up my tire without having to have this dumb little adapter thing that I had to have before. So here's my Honda Elite. Oh man, I love this thing. And as it turns out, today's like the perfect day to ride it, except for it's been flat for, I don't know, like, no, I went flat around like November. I went for a ride and pop! And then I had to push it home. Nobody likes to push things home. So how's this process going? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Would you say that you're psyched out of your mind?
No.
No? Hey, look at that! Woo!
It has failed.
So that's what failed right there.
That's what failed.
Huh. So on the bright side...
This one better be better than that.
On the bright side, my one brief fear that I had was that maybe my fix-a-flat that I tried to put in would like possibly like wreck my tire. But like, on the bright side of it failing is that it didn't have the chance to ruin anything.
Okay, we need to put enough air. Whoa.
I mean, have you ever seen...
Why is this so small?
Have you ever seen fix-a-flat like on the inside before? Like,
this
is this
isn't a 10-inch?
Yeah, it says it right on it. Is this definitely like a failure?
Yeah. We need to put some air in here because...
All right. Well, let's get out the old blow and see if we can't cho her up. Know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Oh look, these guys want me to leave them a good review.
Yeah, if it works, you will.
Welcome to my shop.
Okay, where do we get air for this?
All right, guys.
I need to have it like that.
I'll check in later. We're gonna fill her up right now.
Yeah.
One quick story is that I ruined my tractor, and then it got fixed. So what happened was, because I'm an idiot. I don't know if I'm a complete idiot, but sometimes I'm an idiot. Anyways, somehow in driving my tractor around, I don't know what I hit.
You don't have a lighter.
I must have hit something like very hard.
You have no
But I don't know what I hit. But anyways, I actually snapped off one of my blades. But luckily, for literally the first time in my whole life, I bought the warranty. And so I called up old Searsy babies, and like 3 days later, they came out for free. I literally paid nothing, and they replaced both of my blades and put on a new little, whatever the thing's called that the blades are attached to.
spindle.
Spindle, apparently. And so it was sweet. So now it's brand new. Look at it. Pump up my tube. Pump up my tube. Just needs more air, right, bro?
No, it ain't.
What?
Why is it so small? That is not 10-inch.
It says it right on it.
No.
No, it says
3
4.
by 10.
4.
Nope.
Where's the 10? It's a 4.
It's not a 4. This isn't 4 inches.
No, this is
4 inches.
This
Nope.
is supposed to be 10, and it's only 4.
You're
No.
gonna make it.
Yeah,
Nope.
I'm telling you.
It's great and fantastic news all around. Because scooter tire back again. There it is. Ready to go on. And yes, we had to bring the scooter inside. Because it's raining and no one likes to work in the rain. So we picked her up, wheeled her in, and now she's part of the living room. So, does the scooter tire have a what's it called?
Leak?
No, I mean, is it just the tire that's there, or does it have a thing inside? A tube?
Yeah, it's got the tube in there.
Oh man, I see the one unfortunate thing.
Yep, they didn't have one. They only had the straight.
It almost seems like every scooter tube should have that
Should.
thing, because it's like a constant problem for people.
Yeah, it is.
Why would they even make that?
Because they hate everybody.
Did you know that scooter tire places hate everybody? I guess they do.
They're great.
So there's the tireless wonder, and we're gonna have to pull with all of our might on the exhaust pipe there and jam it in behind.
You mean just slightly bend it?
Yeah, with all of our might.
Not really.
So the tube that I bought off of Amazon, I was so happy about because it was only like $10, and it came with 2 of them, and it had the little angled air piece so that you could like just stick a normal thing in there.
But it was wrong.
But it was the wrong size. I think that must have tricked me. I mean, either it was listed wrong or something. I don't know. But it wasn't worth sending back, and now I just have the wrong size. But that one had a little angled one, and as you can see, this one doesn't. So, let's jam that bad boy on.
Arrow.
Puppy, get out of the way. No one wants to just see a puppy.
Yeah, really. Are you gonna help? I don't think so. Are you gonna get in the way? It looks like it.
Jam it in. Jam it in. Puppy, over here, pup. Give me that thing.
Get a life.
Go over there. Alright.
Now, if we can. Get away! Oh my goodness. Why isn't it
What if we're perma-damaging this by bending it like this?
We can hope.
I don't hope that.
Huh?
Oh, it slipped in, guys.
Oh yeah. I can't see it. Come on, get in there. Oh, I don't think it's in.
I feel like I'm bending it, and I feel bad
No, it's
about
fine. But I can't see the spindle. Oh, I know what the problem is. Duh.
that. We put it back on.
Now it'll go right on. I hope. Oh, crap. Yeah, you can let go now, but
Would you say that I've damaged this thing beyond repair?
no.
Okay. Oh, it
What?
has a screw that's supposed to be in there, I see.
Yeah, the screw holds it.
Would you say that the tire's already full
Yes.
of air and that I could immediately take it out for a rainy ride?
Yes.
I
think
probably
so.
won't.
But there's a problem. It's not going on because for some reason the brake shoe is not going inside the drum. This is stupid.
What if I don't care if I have brakes or not?
Here, I need that wrench. Let me
You
see-
just
let me see if I can.
you just
push
put your feet down and you kind of Flintstone it, you know?
You just go. Ah.
You Flintstone it.
Okay.
Hey, it's on.
Yeah.
Let's come in here for the close-up, peeps. Come in here for the close-up. Oh yeah. So now, at the end of this scene here, you'll notice that I'm getting out my wallet here because I've paid my father $50 to do this. Because he said that he wanted to do it for $50.
Oh my goodness.
And so I got this nice crisp 50 on me here.
Sweet. Sweet.
He's gonna take it.
Yeah, he is.
And he's gonna spend it on roughhousing.
Rough housing.
Yeah.
I can only hope.
Now what kind of roughhousing do you think he'll spend it on?
Nobody really knows.
Yeah, but it'll be roughhousing, right?
Probably not.
Oh.
Probably put it in the gas tank.
He's gonna spend it on his way home. That sounds
Is he
disappointing.
gonna make it home?
Do you remember that one time? Well, do you remember that 2 times that I had to come like help you because you were at a gas
Out of
station
gas.
at approximately 12:30 in the morning,
And one's at 12:30 at night.
and you were like, "I'm here and I'm trying to pay the money and they won't take
They
it,"
reject it.
and then I had to come get you,
Yeah, it happened.
and everyone was sad
Got that right. Why isn't this?
because I had to put my pants back on and no one likes that.
Oh my goodness.
All right, this scooter vlog ends with one final lesson, and that lesson is always force it in. Always. Doesn't matter. Boom! Like that.
Bam.
Take it! I said take it!
Seriously?
Check it out! Look at that tire! It's spinning on its own! It's spinning on its own! And it paused raining just long enough for the ride of a lifetime. Oh. I almost dropped you all. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. We'll see if I die. And I didn't even die riding one-handed.